Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Mathematics Points. Students, today I am here with chapter 3 in new books and chapter 4 in old books. So the name of the chapter is Basic Algebra and Algebraic Manipulation NSM 1 D1. So today we will start exercise 3B question A, but before starting the lecture I would request you that you subscribe the channel if you didn't subscribe it, and kindly press the bell icon. So let's start the lecture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we have a question. Expand each of the following expression. Here we have first question part A. Now students, you can see that in this expression we have a variable as well as a constant. And here is the bracket, and outside the bracket is the minus sign. So whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, the inner term sign will be changed. As there is no sign with the x, so basically x have the sign plus, so that become minus, and this plus will become minus 5. Why so? Because we have a minus sign outside the bracket, so when we open the bracket, this minus sign will change the sign of the inner terms. Now I write the part B. Again in the part B we have minus sign outside the bracket. Always keep in mind that whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, so inner term sign will be changed. So it will become minus 4, and this minus x will become plus x. These are very simple and basic question. So in part C, as you can see in the board, that there is a constant, and this 2 is going to be multiplied with all the terms that is inside the bracket. So here inside the bracket we have two terms. So firstly 2 is multiplied with first term, this is one term, and then after that 2 will be multiplied with second term. So when multiply 2 with 3, it will become 2 3s are 6, and write down the variable as it. Now 2 will be multiplied with the second term. Before the second term we have the plus sign, so we write down the plus sign here, and then 2 7s are 40. You can see as the 2 have also the sign of positive, when there is no sign, any sign mentioned here, so definitely then the constant or the number have the positive sign. So plus plus plus, and 2 7s are 40. Now we move towards the part D. So again in the part D you can see that we have 8, and 8 is multiplied with both the terms. So firstly we multiply 8 with the 2y. 8 2s are 16, write down the variable here. Now 8 having the sign positive, so plus minus minus, and 8 5s are 40. Okay, now we do the part E. In part E again 8, here 8 does not have any sign, so that means it is a positive 8. Firstly 8 multiply with the first term inside the bracket, then the second term inside the bracket. So 8 3s are 24. What is the variable here? A, so we write down the variable as it, and then after multiplying it we multiply 8 with the second term. Now 8 having the sign plus, or here we have the minus sign, plus minus minus, 8 4s are 32, and B. Now we move towards the part F. In part F you can see that we have the term that is outside the bracket also having the minus sign. Here in this question the sign is positive, but in that question we have the negative sign. So we multiply this sign also with the inner terms. We multiply 3 first of all with the first term. So here you can see that the coefficient of C is 1, so 3 1s are 3, and write on the C as well, that is the variable. And here we have the plus sign, so plus minus minus. Okay, or what is the other thing, whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, so inner sign will be changed. So here C having the positive sign, now it will become negative, and the coefficient of C is 1, so 3 1s are 3. Then again plus minus minus, 3 6 are 18, And the other thing is that whenever there is a negative sign, so inner signs will be changed, so it will become minus. Now in question 4, I will part G, I will solve step by step. Okay, if you won't feel difficulty solving like this, so you can also solve like this. First of all, multiply constant with the terms, and after that, after multiplying the constant with the bracket, then you solve the minus sign. So for D's are, for 1s are 4 because D have the coefficient 1, for 1s are 4D. Here I just keep the minus sign outside the bracket because I will solve in the next step, so you can easily comparison both of the method. Then for 6 are, here we have minus sign, and for 6 are 24. Then in this question, in this step, I just multiply this constant that is outside the bracket with the inner terms. Now I just solve this minus sign. Whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, the inner term sign will be changed. This plus 4D will become minus 4D. The sign of all the inner terms will be changed, and this minus 24 will become plus 24. Now the part H, that is the last part of your question number 1. Here student, you can see that we have a constant as well as a variable. 2a will multiply first of all with x, and after that will be with y. So first of all, this 2a will be multiplied with x. So here you can see that the x having the coefficient 1, because when there is no any coefficient mentioned, so there is a coefficient 1. 2 1s are 2. And now we write down the variable a and x together, a x, because they are different variables. If they will be same, so I will edit the power, but a and x is different, so I write down ax together. Now we multiply this to a with y, this to a with y. What is the sign x? Here we have the sign minus. So again, y having the coefficient 1, so 2 1s are 2, and we write down a y as well. So it is all done with your question A of exercise 3B. Hope so you understand this question, but still if there is any confusion, any query, so you are free to ask the question. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.